everyone, this is Kenny from Kenny's Beauty Palace. So this time I decided to pre-style this unit before I take it to the client, because hairstyling is time consuming. So this is me trying to slay that hair down. One thing I would like to tell you, or tell all my brides out there. Okay, now this is Mrs. Silla, Aisada Silla, helping out. One thing I want to tell my bride out there, before you decide to buy any hair when you want to do your wedding, make sure you consult your hairstylist. It's about the unit. First of all, if you don't have a HD lace, it will be very, very difficult for that that lace to melt down. And also the unit, the material they sew the unit with, it is very hard. It's a very hard material. So the bobby pin would be very, very difficult to go through. And thirdly, the hair. Sometimes they just give you like 2 bundles, for a week, which is not enough. So I personally would like to custom make the hair. So that way I'll be using a specific material to make that wig for the bobby pin to go through. And this is me now trying to slay that back down. Yes, as I said, I really love what I do, and this is my dream. I've been asking God, put God first. Whatever you do, you put God first. The Bible says his plan for us are of good but not of evil. Whenever you put God first, anything you do, make sure you ask for blessing, God's blessing. God has to have hands in your work, so that way you flourish. In Psalm 127 verse 1, the Lord said, unless the Lord builds the house, its builders labors in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the watchman stand guard in vain. So whatever you are doing, make sure you put God first, and then He'll uphold you to the end. This is me now trying to slay down the flyaways, and her makeup is been previously prepped as styling by Sally's. So now I'm trying to tuck all those flyaways in, and now I'm ready to prep the bangs. Okay, yeah, she's so pretty. This time it really works for me because I pre-did that hair before I brought it to the hotel. So it takes less time for me this time. See, done. That is it. I'm gonna put some shimmery on her bangs. This is the first time I've done that, so done that. It's really nice. Just what you'll see. So this is the first time me doing that. She's pretty though. She's a very pretty bride. The picture you are seeing there is a bridal shower. Her bridal shower, I did her hair and makeup. So I did that picture because I want to hide some stuff over there in that corner. So now this is Miss Fande. Oh my God, I did her makeup so fast. Boom, look at her. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Look how pretty she is. And I don't know what happened, but anyway, this is Miss Asada. I did her makeup earlier, and now these are the bridesmaids, and they are all looking so beautiful. Yeah, they are ready for this, for the beautiful bride. Oh, teaser, she's so pretty. So Miss Aisada is ready to put on her veil because the limo is waiting outside. We are all running out of time. No, we don't want to run out of time this time. We have to be on time. Okay? So I asked her to turn around so I can see her beautiful face. Look at that smile. She looks so beautiful, so stunning. Yep. Yes, she's ready to go say I do. I can't wait for this lady to say I do to this handsome man. Yeah, she's ready to rock it. Mm-hmm. Yep. I love doing what I do. I really do. I put so much love into my work, you know. I think I do more than I earn, but you know, as I said, time will tell, and when it's time for me to make it, I'll make it. And that is Miss Tiza. She's so beautiful. That is the baby bride, the bride's daughter. Mrs. Silla. And that is Tiza and her beautiful daughter. Okay. They are all ready now to go to the limo. They are ready to go outside to go to the limo. And yeah, so like and subscribe if you like it. Like and lions roaring in the morning sun.